Good afternoon, everybody. This is Joe Torres. I'm here at BTV. I wanted to introduce you to another scout and the owner. So why don't you introduce yourself?
Paul Weeks, 1968 800, 266 V8. I've had it for, I bought it in 2004 at the Nationals. And had to do a lot of body work to it. It was pretty rough, but I just tried to make it look as original as I can. And, like I said, replaced a lot of sheet metal on it.
Any knowledge of the history, where it came from, the original owners?
I believe the guy that I bought it from the original owner, and it was somewhere around Urbana, Ohio. And the guy who originally owned it was a farmer. He ordered it with a 266 V8 and one 10-gallon tank. That's it. And I think he was the only one that ever drove it, because the seats are original, the dash is all original. Everything else, like I said, I had to do a lot of sheet metal work on it.
Now this separating panel here was intended for what type of vehicles?
That originally wasn't in there. I bought a half top for it, a pickup cab, and so I keep it in there full time, so I take the pickup top off, and I can still put the full top on as well, the travel top. Travel top is what it was ordered with.
Yeah,
the color is Adirondack green.
Adirondack green. It's got a couple interesting features that I noticed already. One, again, that separating panel, but these hub locks, you don't see those very often. Why don't you? Are those drive flanges, or are those actual hub locks?
They're actual hub locks. They were on there. I don't know if somebody replaced them, but they are Sears Roebuck Allstate brand. So now I have no idea how they got on there.
Very, very interesting to come across. A lot of the folks don't realize how much Sears was.
They had a catalog for Jeep and Scout.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they made anything from guns to, as you can see here, hub locks. So really great to see something like this on a period correct vehicle like this. So.
And I don't see very many West Coast mirrors on 800s either.
Yeah, I was just going to say, these IH branded West Coast mirrors, another really nice touch. A lot different from the round mirrors that were typically on these. So just a couple nice eclectic features that make this vehicle kind of special. So anyway, thank you very much for sharing the vehicle. Thanks for being here. We appreciate it.
You're welcome.
See you next time.